What's up, guys? It's Brian here. I'm showing you this quick video on my Walmart store that I'm running. Actually, this is one of my investor store. I have multiple stores running, but this one in particular is ranking up pretty quickly, and I just wanted to show you the results. It's pretty crazy. So today we got 100 orders. Right now we're at a balance of $10,000, and let me show you some of the action, because literally, guys, this is something that you guys can do. And Walmart's kind of hard to get in to start selling, but the concept and the business model to start getting orders on these platforms is not that difficult. So you can do this on Amazon, TikTok, Walmart, obviously, Etsy, whatever you want to do. But I just want to share my results because I know that could probably inspire some of you. It can inspire some of y'all. So right here, let's go to orders. I'm gonna show you the stuff that I'm selling. It's kind of crazy. So, and the majority of the stuff that I'm selling, they're all consumable stuff, like stuff that people consume on a daily basis. Like, they're gonna order this right now, they're gonna eat it, they're gonna come back, order it again, eat it, come back, order it again, forever, because you're gonna eat forever until you die, right? So this endless orders coming in. People need this stuff. It's never going away, and I highly recommend this niche, which is the food niche. Also, pet products are good too. Like, people love feeding their dogs and their cats, you know. Also, if you want to go beyond that, like health and wellness products sell very good. I think those are probably the best products, but you need a little more money for that, and mainly because people come back. If it's a good brand, people come back, and you know, they're very small, low cost to ship and all that. But anyways, I'm getting off track. So these are the products that I'm selling, and where I'm sourcing these products is Amazon Business. Yeah, like Amazon Business sells these products in bulk, like in 24 packs, 48 packs. And what we do is we order from Amazon, and it arrives to our warehouse, and then we break it up and then sell it individually on Walmart. So for example, this order right here, Barilla, this one was $19. So if I click on this one, you're gonna see that the customer paid $9 in shipping. We are gonna pay probably $4 to $5 in shipping using ShipStation. And if you don't have ShipStation, you can use PirateShip. Just make sure you put there like a pound, less than a pound, you know, at 8x8x8 box, and then just get ground advantage. That's like $4 or $5, right? And yeah, so we are charging $9 for this, and we're also charging $9 for 2 of these barrillas. Now, it didn't cost us $9 to get these 2. Well, here we're selling it for $4.89. So we didn't get these products for $4.89 on Amazon. We probably got these for like $1. So the margins are crazy on this. And the reason I'm saying that anybody can do this is because we have hundreds of products listed, and I didn't list all these products. It's gonna take me forever, right? What you do is hire a VA. Go on Upwork, go on Fiverr, go on some of these freelance websites, and try to find you a good VA. But before you do this, you obviously need to know what you're doing. So, and by that I mean like telling them what products to find. They'll be like, okay, what products are you trying to sell? You're gonna tell them, okay, food products. Okay, where do you want me to search? Amazon Business, like that type of stuff, right? So I'm just showing you the breakdown of it so that you guys could probably implement it, you know, with your VA and just find a way. But you guys need to figure it out, because like I searched up a bunch of YouTube videos before I got to this point, and man, like I could have watched a million videos, but I was still in the same spot. It wasn't until I made that first mistake that led me to the next thing, and it just so on, right? If you're not making mistakes, then you're not moving. Don't just watch videos, implement, fuck up, and then do it again. Fuck up, you're gonna just get, your fuck ups are gonna be better. You know, your results are gonna be better. If you're not fucking up, making mistakes, and having success, then you're not doing anything. You need to implement it. So, and the more you implement, the more shit that you find out yourself. And this is how people find new strategies, because they're testing stuff, they're trying, you know. You got to not be lazy and start doing the work. So let's go back to the performance for this store. Let's go to the analytics, how much we made last month. So last month, if I set this back to let's just do till the second, let's see how much we made. This month just started. $46,000 in this past month. I mean, that's crazy, guys. And here, obviously, Amazon tells you where a lot of your orders are coming from. right? So this is also a new dashboard. If you're new to Walmart, this is a brand new dashboard they just updated, so it looks very nice now. But yeah, on here you'll be able to see the products that are selling the most. For example, last month you can see that Hormel chili turkey with beans is sold so much. It was one of our highest one. The Spams products, the Purina. But yeah, that's basically how it works. And I just wanted to show you my results because it's crazy, man. And right now we're in Q4, so it's about to be a crazy 2024 end of the season, because I'm looking forward to how these next 3 months play out, and I hope that you guys can get started and start taking action on something like this. It's pretty cool. And if you guys have any more questions on it, maybe on another platform like Amazon, anybody can sell on Amazon. If you want to do wholesale or any of that, I'll be happy to help you guys out. This account is mainly doing online arbitrage, so we're buying from Amazon Business. We're not opening wholesale accounts. We're buying from Amazon Business, coming to our warehouse, and then shipping off to our customers with the orders that are coming in from Walmart. So that's how this works. All right, guys, if you have any other questions, leave it down in the comments. Look forward to speaking to you guys. Peace.